The Italian Ministry of Defense has taken a significant step towards enhancing the naval operational capabilities of the country by approving the acquisition of additional MQ-27 ScanEagle unmanned aerial systems, UAS. This move, aimed at bolstering intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR, functions, comes as part of the ongoing integration of these systems aboard Italy's FREMM-class frigates. The Italian Navy originally outlined this requirement in 2022 as part of their broader strategy to increase the effectiveness of their shipborne UAV operations. Initially, the ScanEagle UAS was integrated into the Italian Navy's operational framework starting in 2013, following a contract with Insitu, a subsidiary of Boeing. That agreement saw the delivery of complete ScanEagle systems, complete with UAV units, control stations, and necessary launch and recovery equipment. The systems were initially deployed under the broader scope of Italy's maritime security initiatives, such as Operazione Mare Nostrum, and have been instrumental in enhancing the country's maritime intelligence gathering capabilities. This new acquisition, totaling €19.5 million, will further strengthen the Navy's operational capabilities by ensuring that 2 FREMM-class ships are outfitted with the ScanEagle UAS. These drones are designed to support a range of missions, from intelligence gathering to real-time surveillance, using sensors such as electro-optical, EO, cameras. Additionally, the contract will include ongoing training programs for personnel and the continued development of technical capabilities to ensure the ScanEagle's effective integration into the fleet. A key aspect of this expanded acquisition is the simplification of integration, which will allow the system's equipment, such as launchers and recovery systems, to be shared across different ships within the FREMM-class fleet. The program also modifies the UAV sensor suite by increasing the number of EO-equipped units and removing the previously planned integration of the VDAR system. These changes aim to improve the overall effectiveness of the system in the unique operational environment of naval vessels. The ScanEagle, known for its endurance and ease of deployment, will provide these ships with a robust aerial reconnaissance capability. Its pneumatic catapult launcher allows for quick deployment from ship decks without the need for traditional runways, which is crucial for operations at sea. Additionally, its long endurance, up to 20 hours of flight time, makes it an ideal tool for extended surveillance missions over large areas. This acquisition also follows a series of successful tests and operational trials, most notably with the Italian Navy frigate Luigi Rizzo. On November 13, 2024, the ship completed a series of acceptance trials in the Tyrrhenian Sea, which assessed the ScanEagle's functionality in a range of real-world scenarios. The success of these trials highlighted the system's potential for enhancing Italy's naval operational reach, and the Navy's experience with the UAV system will ensure a smooth transition as additional units are integrated. The updated agreement also includes provisions for technical incentives and spare parts, ensuring the longevity and operational continuity of the ScanEagle fleet. With this contract, Italy continues its partnership with Insitu, ensuring that the ScanEagle system remains a cornerstone of the Navy's aerial surveillance capabilities well into the future. In addition to its operational success, the ScanEagle has proven to be a versatile tool with applications beyond military operations. Developed from the commercial Insitu Seascan UAV, which was initially used for fishing and weather data collection, the ScanEagle has evolved into a critical asset for surveillance, reconnaissance, and even counter-piracy missions. Its design, which includes a small fixed-wing airframe, makes it easy to transport and deploy in challenging environments, ensuring that it can serve effectively on a variety of missions. The MQ-27 ScanEagle system is part of a growing trend towards the use of smaller, more efficient unmanned systems in modern military operations. Its small size, impressive flight endurance, and ability to operate in harsh maritime environments make it a valuable asset to the Italian Navy. With this expanded acquisition, the ScanEagle will continue to play a key role in ensuring the security and operational effectiveness of Italy's naval forces.